Paano natin haharapin ang mga challenging behaviors in a positive and healthy way? Usapang relational discipline. Ito ang paggamit ng ating relationships, not just our power, para mag-guide ang mga tao sa paligid natin. Instead of always imposing, let's try understanding. At pag magkaroon ng problema, we have options. Tatlo actually. First, you impose your will. Sabi nga, my way or the highway. Pero minsan, hindi ito ang pinaka-effective. Second naman is collaborative problem solving. Dito, you talk, you listen, you work together to find a solution. Mas effective to in most cases. And finally, the third one is strategically dropping the issue for now. It's not giving in. It's about picking your battles. Isipin mo if this is the appropriate time to discuss. Kung sobrang stress na kayo pareho, better step back muna and take a break. So paano natin ito i-apply? Simple lang. First, isulat mo lahat ng specific situations na nagtitrigger ng frustration nyo. Ano yung mga ugali na nakakainis? Then identify kung ano yung mga nagpapalitaw ng behavior na yon. After that, choose plan A, B, or C. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, ano ba yung gusto mong ma-achieve dito? Remember, mahalaga ang relational discipline para mas maging matibay ang relasyon natin sa iba. Think positive and you can do it.